New Southwest Speed Drilled 4-drop forged I-beam axle kit with spindles and kingpin kit includes Southwest Speed Drilled 47 forged I-beam axle, SWS #104-8025, one-piece forged steel drilled design axle forging is ground smooth and bead blasted for a superior finish. 4-drop 47 wide, kingpin centers, 49 overall length, 34 spring perch centers, use with 29 cross spring 2-1/4 tall wishbone boss. If you chose to use this axle with 2 wishbones, you will need to machine the inside of your wishbones and slash or the axle for them to work together. The spring perch bosses on stock Model A wishbones are 2-1/4, as are 1937 and later Fords, but 1932 to 1936 Ford wishbones are 2 Southwest Speed stock replacement. Early Ford spindles, SWS #103-9749. Strong forged 4140 steel construction, ideal for any hot rod or restoration project. These spindles are the 37 to 41 round back design spindles, but when used in conjunction with the included kingpins, they will fit the included 1928 to 1948 Ford axles. Great spindles weigh approximately 5.5 pounds each. Southwest Speed Kingpin Kit, SWS #103-9111, includes bushings, bearings, and locks applications, 1928 to 19